Recently, the Supreme Court's decision to review the 2025 Waqf Amendment Act has faced criticism from political quarters. Both the Vice President of India and a BJP MP have publicly questioned the judiciary's authority to scrutinize a law passed by the Parliament. While such concerns reflect ongoing tension between the judiciary and the legislature, it is important to remember that judicial review is a constitutionally guaranteed power of the Supreme Court. It is not an act of defiance, but a function of the court's duty to protect the constitution and the rights of citizens. India's constitutional framework is built on checks and balances. Parliament enacts laws, but those laws must remain within constitutional limits, and it is the judiciary that ensures those limits are respected. By exercising judicial review, the Supreme Court does not challenge democracy, it preserves it. When the Supreme Court of India reviews a law passed by Parliament, it plays a crucial role in upholding the Constitution, protecting citizens' rights, and maintaining the balance of power between branches of government. The court has several options at its disposal, each designed to ensure that legislation aligns with constitutional principles. Firstly, the court may uphold a law if it finds the legislation consistent with the Constitution. In this case, the law is declared valid and reflects the democratic will of the legislature. This outcome reinforces the concept of parliamentary sovereignty while confirming that the law operates within constitutional limits. Secondly, the court can strike down the law if it finds that it violates fundamental rights or contradicts key constitutional values. This is a vital safeguard against legislative action that could potentially harm individual freedoms or breach the basic structure of the Constitution, such as equality, liberty, or secularism. The court may also choose to read down a law, interpreting it in a way that limits its scope while preserving its constitutional validity. This allows the law to function in harmony with constitutional protections, especially in cases where overly broad language could lead to misuse or rights violations. In some cases, the Supreme Court may issue guidelines for implementation, providing clarity on how the law should be applied in practice. This ensures that even contentious or complex laws are enforced in a way that respects constitutional mandates and safeguards public interest. When a law raises significant constitutional questions or involves conflicting precedents, the court can refer the matter to a larger bench. This process allows a broader legal perspective and helps in shaping the future of constitutional jurisprudence in India. The court also has the power to temporarily stay the implementation of a law while it conducts its review. This is a precautionary measure aimed at preventing any adverse consequences during the period of examination, especially in cases that could impact vulnerable communities. Firstly, the court may seek further clarification or data from parties involved, including the government. This helps the judiciary base its decision on complete information and ensures that all sides are fairly represented.